A regular octahedron has 8 equilateral triangle faces, with 4 faces meeting at each vertex. Jun folds a flat paper net into the octahedron. The net's faces are numbered 1 through 7, plus a face labeled Q. When the net is folded up, which numbered face ends up directly to the right of face Q? The choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with the flat net. It is a strip of 8 equilateral triangles that share edges. 7 of them are numbered 1 through 7, and 1 is labeled Q. When we fold along the shared edges, these 8 triangles wrap up to become the 8 faces of the octahedron. Here is the key fact about a regular octahedron. Exactly 4 faces meet around every vertex. So as the net folds, the faces next to each other in the strip swing up and pack 4 at a time around each corner point. Now we track face Q as the paper closes up. We follow the faces that share a vertex with Q and see how they wrap around that vertex. When the folding is finished, the face that comes to rest immediately to the right of Q is face 1. So the numbered face directly to the right of Q is face 1, which is answer choice A.